For years, we've been promised an AI that can actually do things. But every time you open ChatGPT, you're stuck in a browser tab. You have to copy, paste, and explain everything from scratch. It's a digital goldfish. But what if your AI didn't just talk? What if it lived on your computer, read your local files, managed your calendar, and could be reached via a simple text on WhatsApp? This is OpenClaw, the open source project that turned 145,000 developers into AI power users overnight. It's not a chatbot, it's the first real agent that runs on your hardware. By your rules, meet Peter Steinberger, the developer who proved that a weekend toy can disrupt the AI industry. Peter spent 13 years building PSPDF-Kit before a massive exit in 2021 that allowed him to retire. But instead of staying on the sidelines, he began vibe coding, creating dozens of experiments to push the limits of AI. In late 2025, he hacked together a simple bridge to text his computer via WhatsApp, originally called WhatsApp Relay. He didn't think much of it, but the world did. Within 2 months, it exploded into OpenClaw, amassing over 145,000 GitHub stars and 2 million visitors in a single week. The project survived a chaotic journey, rebranding from Claudebot to Moltbot, before finally becoming OpenClaw. Peter's vision is a local-first AI, an assistant that lives on your hardware, not in a corporate cloud. He famously calls it a new weird friend that lives on your computer, one that has the hands to manage your files, your calendar, and even your smart home. If you're looking for OpenClaw on GitHub, look for the lobster. This mascot isn't just a cute logo. It represents the project's molting, its ability to shed its old shell and evolve faster than any corporate AI. Visually, OpenClaw is a local-first masterpiece. It doesn't live in a fancy browser tab. It lives in your terminal and your messaging apps. Whether it's rendering a live canvas of your data or just sending you a quick job done text on WhatsApp, the Lobster Way is about high-power automation wrapped in a friendly open-source shell. There's the self-evolution. Creator Peter Steinberger once sent his agent a voice memo by mistake. The bot didn't have audio code, so it searched its own computer, found an OpenAI key, wrote a custom script to transcribe the audio, and executed it, giving itself hearing just to finish the task. Host, and finally the $4,200 car negotiation. An agent successfully bullied a dealership into a massive discount via email, only to fail at the finish line because it didn't have a credit card. It spent the next hour politely asking the salesman if he'd accept GitHub stars as a down payment. Welcome to the agentic age. It's brilliant, it's chaotic, and it's just getting started. OpenClaw is part of a bigger shift. We are moving away from cloud islands owned by big companies and moving toward personal AI. It's messy, it's a little scary, and it's very fast. But for the first time, you're in charge of the AI, not the other way around. Go check out the repo, get yourself a Mac Mini, and start molting. Thanks for watching.